Hey folks, I thought I'd show you my new swarm bait lure in action. So this is some homemade lure that I just made, and I applied it 4 hours ago to this box, and the girls seem to be liking it pretty much. So let me show you the recipe. It's pretty easy to make, and apparently it's pretty effective. Okay folks, the first ingredient you'll need is this lemongrass oil. So you want to measure off 1 ounce of lemongrass oil and put that in your spritz bottle or whatever you want to use. I use a little spritzer bottle. We're making 2 ounces, by the way. So add 1 ounce, and I use just a little measuring shot glass. That actually works pretty good for this. And then you want the secret ingredient is this. So this is 91% isopropyl alcohol with queens, multiple queens. There's like a dozen dead queens in there. Throw those in while they're still alive, as opposed to cutting them in half when I'm requeening. It was just something I thought I'd try. So you put those in here, and I put a chunk of propolis. So it was actually, turns out, propolis and wax, and that's why the color is what it is. So you want to pour this 91% into your shot glass, but you don't want to fill it all the way up to the 1 ounce mark. Let's see, there's the 1 ounce mark. Instead, you want to get it about 10% below, because you need to add water to this. Water is kind of the catalyst that allows that oil and alcohol and everything to mix. So add about 10% water to your solution, and you also, when you pour it, you want to use a filter, which I just used a funnel with a paper towel is all I use to catch any little bits that might clog up your sprayer. Anyway, top off your sprayer with that, so you'll have 2 ounces total. Shake it up real good, and you're ready to go. And apparently it's very effective, so we're real happy with the results. Anyway, I hope this video helps some of you guys. I should say that I have successfully used Swarm Commander. I like that product a lot. It's just rather on the pricey side of over 40 bucks for 2 ounces. So this may be, if you've got, if you're setting up a lot of swarm traps, this may be something that is economical for you guys. Or if you're in a pinch, either or. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Okay folks, the time is now 5:35, so 5 hours and 35 minutes from when I put this box up and baited with my recipe. Got a good colony. Moving on in. That's what you want.